Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Twitter account. Let's go. First, open your browser. Then go to twitter.com. Please select sign up. Then enter your name. In this box, you can enter your phone or email. I choose email. Then enter your birthday. For example, this is month, this is day, and this is year. Then click on next. If you want to get more out of Twitter, please check this box. For connect with people you know, please check this box. And for personalized ads, please check this box. Then select next. In this step, please select sign up. Please go to your email. Please open your mail. This is your verification code. Please enter your code here. Then click on next. Please create your password. Then select next. If you want to upload your photo, please click here. And if you don't want, please skip for now. If you want to describe yourself, please write here. And if you don't, please select skip for now. In this step, you can select some topics you are interested in. There are a lot of topics here. For example, lifestyle, arts, government, gaming, non-profits, fun, science. You can choose everything you want. Or if you don't, please select skip for now. If you want to follow someone, please click on follow. And if you don't, please select next. If you want to turn on notifications, please click here. And if you don't, please select skip for now. Now you have a new Twitter account. If you want to tweet something, please write it here and then click on tweet. If you have any additional questions or require further clarification, please let me know.